sucks. Let's do something else. Alright. I'm just gonna call Jace. Hey Jace, where you at?
I got a new car, and I'm outside your house.
Really? You got a new car?
Dude, you got a new car? Dude, let's go outside and check that out.
Yeah, see you outside.
That's not a car. That's a fucking skateboard.
Oh.
It's my skateboard.
Oh.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
This new cool rocket power skateboard video.
Oh.
Reaction called nucleation. Let me explain this. First, the Mentos gets into the soda. There are small nucleation sites or mini holes on the surface of the Mentos. As the Mentos sinks into the soda bottle, bubbles start to form in the nucleation sites. By the time the Mentos reaches the bottom, there is an incredible amount of bubbles that would have formed, which causes the pressure to increase. The pressure is released as a geyser or an explosion. So soda is practically water and CO2. This is before we add the Mentos, and this is what soda looks like. The carbon dioxide is pressurized into the soda. So as the Mentos goes down, the nucleation sites start to produce more and more CO2, because all the CO2 starts to move towards the nucleation sites and starts to move up because the pressure is released. And it either forms a geyser or an explosion.
The amount of Mentos affects the amount of pressure that is built. Our hypothesis is as the amount of Mentos added to the soda bottle increases, the amount of pressure, which leads to a larger geyser.
We will be measuring it by the size of the explosion.
No, we're gonna build a soda rocket powered skateboard by sticking a soda can onto the skateboard and add the number of Mentos needed, and what happens? We are going to measure the distance of the skateboard traveled.
Oops, I knew that.
Sure.
Before we show our experiment, there are safety procedures we need to go through. Wear safety goggles and act responsibly.
Using one Mento, we're going to change the number of Mentos and measure the explosion size.
No, we're gonna measure the distance.
My bad. We're going to change the number of Mentos and measure the distance the rocket-powered skateboard goes.
For the experiment, we will need the materials listed. Pop up on the screen right now.
The skateboard did not go as far as expected, but science does not always work the way that we want it to.
About this project because I really like explosions. That video sucks. I saw no explosion.
Yeah, it was a pretty trash video, to be honest. But they did prove that when you add more Mentos, the pressure increases.
Let's go watch another video.
Alright.